I could create another drawing, but you'll notice down here, this is drawing sheet 1 of 1. So what I really want to do is come over here and click on the sheets, and then we have an option, add or insert another sheet. So now I have a second piece of paper. Okay, so then we'll come up here and do insert view, and it automatically says, hey, you want to draw the same part again? No, I don't. So we have to go to insert, and let's find the part we do want to draw, perhaps the round column. Okay, and it wants to make that, oh my goodness, 2:1 scale again. Way too big. Let's try. How's 1:1 look? That will work. So we could bring in the front view, the top view, and I think you can probably already tell the right view and the front view are the same. Okay, because it's just squares and they're round. So there's no need at all to have the right view in this case. And let's get an isometric view. So we'll go ahead and delete that one. And we want to turn on the hidden lines. So let's do show hidden lines. And then on our isometric view, we could show a shaded view. Okay, and now we have just a few more things to add to this because we have circular features. So up here we have a center mark. So we just click at the circle and that will add a center mark. And then here is our center line. So we just click on the two edges, the hidden lines for the whole, and that'll give us the center line. Okay, so that's now telling the full story of the part. So now we just need to add our dimensions. So we'll just make sure we get our widths on there. And what other width would we have? We would have the whole location. So that we would go to the top view. You don't dimension a hidden line or a center line. So go to the top view, center point, and then we would have the heights. So that's all the widths we would have, other than we'll need the circle diameter and the hole diameter. So for heights, we'll go ahead and do those. And we should have a total of 3 height levels. And you'll see it kind of wants to pop and snap when it's in the middle. And we might stagger that one a little bit because it starts to run into the other number. So what else do we need? We need the full depth. And we need the location of the center point from front to back. We need the diameter of the cylinder, and actually you might even on the round column you might even want a section view on this, but we haven't learned that yet. So we're just going to select the two edges down here below and pull that out to create it. But since that is round, we can see it from the top view. What we really should do is go ahead and insert a diameter symbol there. Okay, so that helps tell more of the story that, hey, this actually is a diameter. And on the top, that's a hole. So when I dimension that, of course, I don't want to have that leader line cross other lines. So I'm going to bring that down at like a 60-degree angle. And that is not just a circle, that's a hole. So I'm going to need to double click that, and we're going to add some text to that information. Okay, get in the text. There we go. So 0.375 through. So let's just double check. I've got width location. I've got 3 heights. I've got depth location for the hole. And I've also got my hole note saying that that's 3/8 of an inch through.